Good morning everyone. This is another short video on my Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro. I have purchased recently this small item. Came in the mail a couple of days ago. It's a spray cover for the Triumph Tiger 900. Now, for those people that own this bike and the 850 Sport, you've probably noticed the huge fault in design at the back of the bike, and I'll show you in a minute. But before I do, just let me have a look and see what's in this parcel, which I've already opened. Now this is going to cover the hole at the back of the bike, just above the number plate, and I'll talk about that when I get over to the bike. But this is designed to cover that hole to prevent mud and splatter coming up on the back of the bike. Comes with a set of instructions, which will be handy. It comes from adhesive stickers to attach to this, to stick onto the bike. And it also comes with two small plugs, which are here, two little black plugs. You have to drill some holes to affix this to the bike. So we're going to wander over to the bike now and have a look, and I'll talk more about that hole. It's an abomination. Well, this is the back of my bike, and for the life of me I do not know why Triumph have left this gap at the rear of the bike, because all as it does is throw up mud and gunk, road gunk from the back of the bike here, up underneath, and it finds its way up through here, and it ends up all over the back of the bike, all over the rear light, all over the number plate, and up under the top box. Now it's pretty clean now because I've just cleaned it before I started this video. But had I not done it, you would have seen there would have been bits and pieces of grass and leaf litter from the road and just gunk. So I'm going to fit that little plastic insert here, and let's get onto it and do that. Well, this insert goes up underneath, up here, to cover the hole, and I've played around with it in all different shapes and forms, and there's only one way it can go in. So let's have a look. Well, it fits nicely there, so I've got the adhesive pads, so I'll take it off and apply the adhesive pads to where my thumb is, along here. And it just should fit nicely back up in there. So let's do that. And I guess before I fit this insert up underneath, I should wipe it down with the alcohol pad provided to make sure that it sticks thoroughly, so I'll do that. Well, I've wiped it down with the alcohol pad, and you can see that there's still a fair bit of gunk up underneath. So hopefully those adhesive pads will do their job. So let's place some on. Well, I've put multiple different size adhesive tapes on the inside of the protector. I've had several goes at it, as you can see over here, the remnants of previous attempts. And I've picked a different selection of sizes just to see if I can get maximum grip. So I'm going to put it on and see how we go. Well, I've glued it in place, and it sort of fits snugly. And now the second part is to drill two holes here. Probably do it from up underneath, drill from up underneath for those two plugs, because I really think that without it, this is not going to stay in place. Right, so let's have a go at drilling holes. Now that I've fitted the insert, I've got to drill 2 4mm holes to insert these plugs, and you'll have to do it from up underneath because you just won't fit the drill in there to drill 2 holes. So let me have a go at drilling 2 holes and I'll come back to you. Well, I've drilled 2 holes, fitted the 2 little plugs in here and here, here and here. They're like press studs. You press them down and they pop in. And I'll see if I can get a shot from up underneath. Anyway, I'm not really sure what we got to see up there, but this is the finished product. And hopefully it'll solve this problem of all the gunk coming up underneath. And Triumph, if you're listening, next time you do an update on this model, get rid of this hole. I do not know the purpose of it. It seems pointless. And I'm not the only one complaining about it. Anyway, there you go. You can see up underneath. Alright, thanks for watching. Well, hope this helps at least one person. And I know there's plenty of people out there complaining about this issue, but it's a job done. Probably took us about 20 minutes, half hour. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.